Did you see that?
Oh my God, viewers! Just look at the results from this niche. They are absolutely incredible. The concept is so satisfying. First, a damaged and scratched car appears on the screen. Then it gets cleaned, washed, and polished step by step. Finally, it transforms into a brand new, shiny, beautiful car. Before we start creating, let me show you a highly successful Instagram. As you can see, this channel is called Zorvex. It already has an impressive audience even though it has only around 60 posts, which means it's still a relatively new page. Now take a look at the videos. Many of them have reached thousands of views, while several have crossed hundreds of thousands of views. If we analyze the content carefully, you'll notice something interesting. The creator focuses on just one simple niche. Every video follows the same satisfying process. A scratched or dirty car appears. The scratches are removed using different tools. The car is washed with water. Then it is polished until it looks completely brand new. That's it. There are no complicated storylines, expensive editing techniques, or difficult animations. Just one satisfying transformation after another. Now let's watch a few examples together. Here's the first video. Watch how the car is scratched first. Then it gets cleaned. After that, it is washed carefully. Finally, look at the transformation. The car looks completely fresh and beautiful. The result is extremely satisfying to watch. Now let's open another example. You can immediately notice that it follows the same successful formula. Again, the damaged vehicle is repaired. The scratches disappear. Everything is cleaned perfectly. And in just a few moments, the car looks brand new. This repetitive style is exactly why this niche performs so well. People keep watching until the final transformation because they want to see the finished result. I have already prepared all the text-to-video prompts that we'll use. There isn't any master prompt for this niche. Instead, I've created 5 individual prompts, each designed for a specific transformation scene. You'll find all of these prompts in the description below, so you can simply copy and use them without writing anything yourself. Now, without wasting any more time, let's open today's AI tool. The tool is called Flow AI. One question I receive all the time is, can you recommend a completely free AI tool? Well, this is exactly that. Flow AI gives you 50 free credits every single day, which makes it an excellent option for beginners. Once you're inside the dashboard, select the VEO 3.1 Lite model. I highly recommend using this version because it allows you to create around 5 videos per day, each lasting approximately 80 seconds, using your daily free credits. Now I'll open the prompt section and paste my first prompt. After pasting all the prompts, I'll keep scene 1 and temporarily remove the remaining scenes. Now I'll click Generate. As you can see, the first scene has started generating. At this point, you simply need to be patient. Since this is a free AI tool, it naturally takes a little longer than paid services. But believe me, it is definitely worth the wait. In my opinion, both the Flow AI image generator and the Flow AI video generator produce outstanding quality. The image generator is almost completely free, allowing you to generate as many images as you want. The video generator has a small daily limit, but if you use VEO 3.1 Lite, you'll still be able to generate around 5 or 6 high-quality videos every day. Some people switch to heavier models, which consume more credits very quickly. Then they wonder why they can't generate additional videos. That's why I always recommend staying with VEO 3.1 Lite if you're using the free plan. Now, our first scene is almost finished. Let's wait just a few more seconds. Oh my God, and look at this result. This looks absolutely amazing. The transformation is smooth, the cleaning animation looks realistic, the scratches disappear naturally, and the final polished car looks almost identical to the viral examples we saw earlier. This is exactly the type of content that performs well on Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. Now let's continue with the second scene. I'll copy my second prompt, then I'll click the plus button. Next, I'll select Extend. Now I'll simply paste the second prompt and click Generate once again. As you can see, the second scene has started generating. Again, you'll need a little patience while the AI processes the extension. Some people think that if they leave the page or move away while the extension is generating, the second scene will stop. That's actually not true. Once you press Extend using VEO 3.1 Lite, the next scene continues generating automatically in the background, so just wait for the generation to finish. Wow! Look at this second result. The transition is smooth, the animation quality is excellent, the transformation feels natural, and it perfectly continues from the first scene, making the entire video look like one professional cinematic sequence. This is exactly how you can create highly engaging AI transformation videos completely free using Flow AI. Alright viewers, as you can see, the result of the second video is absolutely amazing. I'm honestly impressed by how incredible the Extend feature is. I didn't expect it to produce such smooth and professional transitions. After seeing the results myself, I was genuinely surprised by the quality. Now it's time to generate the final scene of our video. So far, we've created the first scene where the car is scratched, the second scene where it is washed, and now we're going to generate the third and final scene where the car becomes completely clean, polished, and looks brand new. I'll simply copy scene 3, paste it into the prompt box, and once again, click the Extend option. Now we just need to wait for the AI to finish generating. After a short wait, as you can see, our third scene is now ready. Take a close look at the result. The animation is smooth, the transition is seamless, and the final transformation looks absolutely stunning. Now our complete reel has been generated. The next step is editing. Before we start editing, I'll download the generated video first. Once it's downloaded, let's move over to the editing section. Open CapCut, then simply drag and drop your generated video into the timeline. Now here's an important tip. I don't recommend making these videos too long. Short-form content performs much better on Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. Try to keep your final video around 15 seconds in length. To do that, trim out any unnecessary slow moments. Keep only the most satisfying parts. Show the scratches being removed, show the washing process, show the transformation into a beautiful, shiny car. And finally, end with the fully restored vehicle. The faster these scenes move, the more engaging your video becomes. This style keeps viewers watching until the end, which increases your watch time and significantly improves your chances of going viral. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is producing videos that are too long. When a video drags on, viewers quickly lose interest and scroll away. So always focus on keeping your edits fast, satisfying, and visually engaging. As you can see, our video now flows perfectly. The scratching sequence, the washing sequence, and finally, the beautiful finished car. The overall result looks clean, professional, and extremely satisfying. Your support motivates me to keep bringing you more powerful AI tutorials, trending content ideas, and free tools that help you grow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.